Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with RHINOSHIELD's 3D Impact Screen Protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is a flexible screen protector which is made of a special impact protective polymer which is designed to absorb 3 times as much impact energy as your unprotected iPhone screen. So it's not going to be as good against scratching as your typical tempered glass screen protector, but it's going to be way better against impact. Plus it now comes with an installer. Let's get this installed on my iPhone 14 Pro Max and check it out. Looking at the contents of the box, first of all, we got the screen protector itself. Note that this is made of a flexible material. This is not tempered glass. It's not going to shatter upon impact. So it's really an interesting product here from RHINOSHIELD, very impact protective. And then we've got the contents of the installation kit. So you got a squeegee to remove bubbles with. You have a microfiber cloth to clean your screen. You have 2 different types of dust removal stickers, one to clean your screen with, and then a couple extra ones just in case you need to remove dust that gets trapped in between the screen protector and your screen. And then finally, we have our installation frame. So used to be that the RHINOSHIELD 3D Impact Screen Protector did not come with an installation frame. Now it does, so that is really exciting and makes this process much easier. Before starting installation, make sure you're working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. Make sure that your hands are clean, the whole area is clean, and your phone is clean. So RHINOSHIELD does not include any kind of a wet wipe in their install kit. If your phone is really dirty, then make sure that it's pretty clean before you start using the microfiber cloth. Because if your phone is dirty and you just start pushing around dirt with a microfiber cloth, you're not going to get a very good result. Also, obviously, if you have a screen protector on your phone already, you're going to need to remove it. I happen to have a wet wipe lying around, so I'm going to use that to clean my screen, but if your screen is already really clean, then you can skip this step. Then I'm going to take RHINOSHIELD's microfiber cloth and dry things off. And then I'm going to take the generously sized dust removal sticker and use it to remove any remaining dust. Next, take a look at the installer. So note we have a top and a bottom to this, so be sure that you put this on the right way around. Also note we have little knobs on here on the top and the bottom. These correspond to holes in the installation tabs of the screen protector. So the holes are going to go over the knobs so you can get a perfect installation. This works really well, or at least it did with the last generation that I put this on. This makes the whole installation process a whole lot easier. So what you want to do is just slide this on top of your phone and then take a look at the screen protector itself. So there's nothing on here that marks a top and a bottom to this, but you can see the little indentation here for the very top of the screen, so you know that this is going to be the top. Also, we have a number of different tabs on here. We got tab 1 and tab 2. So tab 1 is what you're going to peel off to expose the adhesive side of the screen protector. And then you're going to lay this down on here and put these little holes that I was talking about over the knobs that I was talking about. And then you're going to take the squeegee and press down from here and up from there in order to remove bubbles. But first, before you put the screen protector down on top of the installer, you might want to go over your screen one more time with a dust removal sticker to remove any dust which might have floated down onto your screen. Once the screen protector has mostly adhered, you can remove tab 2. So take the holes off of the little knobs and peel this off. And then remove the installer. And then use your finger or microfiber cloth or a combination of the two to remove any remaining bubbles. Looking at the results of the install, I think everything went really well. So we have a perfect alignment on here. That's so easy now with this installer. You can also see that we have an edge-to-edge fit here, really truly edge to edge. I think if you went any farther over, you would not be able to get any cases to fit with this. This is also incredibly thin, has very, very little thickness. So if you want to compare this to the tempered glass screen protector I have on my iPhone 14 Pro, which is a CASETiFY blue light blocking tempered glass screen protector, you can see that the RHINOSHIELD one is much thinner and also much more edge to edge, even though the CASETiFY one is supposed to be edge to edge, but still not quite as edge to edge, also not aligned quite as well. Still a great screen protector. I've enjoyed having this CASETiFY screen protector on my phone, but I have to say that the installation results here with this 3D impact screen protector from RHINOSHIELD are superior. So everything looks great here. So our edges are not rounded edges, so you do have a very slightly rough feeling when you touch the edges. I think that this is only going to be something which is noticeable if you're using this without a case. And of course, I would never use this without a case. I am always a case user. But if you are a non-case user, then that's something to keep in mind. But overall, I think everything is really excellent here with our install. So as far as look and feel is concerned, everything is very good overall. You have a nice slippery smooth feel underneath the fingertips. All of that is great. This is also quite responsive, no issues with haptic touch. And as far as fingerprints and scratches are concerned, it's good but not great. It's not going to be quite as good as a good quality tempered glass screen protector in that regard, although of course it's going to give you a lot more impact protection. Again, it absorbs 3 times the impact energy of your unprotected iPhone screen, so that is really quite impressive. Also, in terms of optical clarity, it's very good, but it's not quite as good as a good quality tempered glass screen protector or your unprotected screen. It's just a tiny bit less clear if you look really, really close up. But if you don't look really close up, then it's absolutely fine. And it is going to provide a whole lot more protection for your iPhone. Checking this out with some cases, looking first at the newly redesigned RHINOSHIELD SolidSuit case. This is now MagSafe. Love the SolidSuit. So being a RHINOSHIELD product, this should fit perfectly with the SolidSuit. So let's check this out. You've got an almost perfect edge-to-edge fit. If you look very closely, you can see the tiniest slice of unprotected screen, but it's so small. Overall, this really looks like you don't have a screen protector on here at all. And with the combination of your over 11 feet of drop protection with the SolidSuit and that 3x screen protection, with this 3D impact screen protector, I think you should be very, very well protected. Really great combo here. And with RHINOSHIELD's brand new clear case, this one's a little trickier to get on. Once on, you can see we've got a great fit though. Definitely compatible. Now this one does not come over the screen quite as much as the SolidSuit does, so you have a slightly larger area of unprotected screen, but I'm just being picky here. I mean, I think this is a great fit here with a 3D impact screen protector. I can't imagine that there's any screen protector which is going to fit any better than this with this case. Overall, just a lovely fit and a lovely case with the new clear. And with a clear case competitor here from CASETiFY, their new CASETiFY Clear. So we've got pretty much the same fit on here that we just saw on the RHINOSHIELD Clear. You do still have a little bit of an edge here that is not covered, but that would be the case pretty much with any screen protector. That's just a function of this case fit, but it is definitely compatible. Looks really great here with the CASETiFY Clear. Looking at the Apple leather case, always a pleasure, such a nice case. So with this one, fit-wise, You are going to have a slice of uncovered phone here, but that's just due to the design of the case. Any screen protector is going to be the same. In fact, this is probably going to be better than pretty much any screen protector because it has such an almost completely edge-to-edge fit. So this is not the fault of the screen protector. I think overall we have a great fit here with the Apple leather case. Everything looks just lovely. And finally, looking at this with the OtterBox Symmetry Series Plus, one of my favorite cases. This is really a nice case, but unfortunately it is not a good fit with this screen protector from RHINOSHIELD. So the deal here, and it's much more visible with the screen off, is that when you have this type of a design of a case where the rim of the case intrudes on top of the front of the phone, then it tends to push the screen protector forward. So because this is such an edge-to-edge fit, you're going to have an issue with this. So you get these little bubbles here. You can press them out, but then they tend to come back. So not every case is going to work with this screen protector, but a lot of them are. And overall, I think it's quite a good screen protector for your iPhone. You simply have to pair it with the right case. So all in all, I think we got a really solid product here from RHINOSHIELD with their 3D Impact screen protector. So this is super thin. You have an amazingly edge-to-edge fit, and I am loving the new installer. So this is still not going to be as scratch resistant as a good quality tempered glass screen protector, and it does have a tendency to pick up lint. But if impact protection is your main reason for getting a screen protector, this is definitely something to consider. Really great product here from RHINOSHIELD. Again, we've been looking at the RHINOSHIELD 3D Impact Screen Protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This product is available directly from RHINOSHIELD and is priced at $29.99 for the transparent version we looked at today. And there is a matte version also available for $29.99. And if you want to go for their privacy screen protector, it's going to be $31.99. You can save 10% on your RHINOSHIELD purchase by using the affiliate coupon code, especially for my viewers, which is the Tech Reviewer 88. Many thanks to the kind folks at RHINOSHIELD for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a marvelous day.